Mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat mga kapatid. Kumusta po sa araw na ito? Ngayon po ay araw ng Biyernes sa January 31, 2025. Huling araw ng buwan. Huling araw sa buwan ng January. Dalangin ko ng bawat sa inyo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan sa mga oras na ito. Mga kapatid, iniyahan ko kayo na ating pakinggan ang Ebanghelyo ngayong araw ng Biyernes mo sa Ebanghelyo ni San Marcos, chapter 4, verses 26 to 34. Jesus said to the crowds, "This is how it is with the kingdom of God. It is as if a man were to scatter seed on the land, and would sleep and rise night and day, and the seed would sprout and grow. He knows not how. Of its own accord the land yields fruit, first the blade, then the ear, then the full grain in the ear. And when the grain is ripe, he wields the sickle at once, for the harvest has come." He said, "To what shall we compare the kingdom of God, or what parable can we use for it? It is like a mustard seed, that when it is sown in the ground, is the smallest of all the seeds on the earth. But once it is sown, it springs up and becomes the largest of plants, and puts forth large branches, so that the birds of the sky can dwell in its shade." With many such parables he spoke the word to them, as they were able to understand it. Without parables he did not speak to them, but to his own disciples explained everything in private. Sabi ni Kristo sa Ebanghelyo, to what shall we compare the kingdom of God? Ano nga ba ang kaharian ng Panginoon? Ang kaharian ng Panginoon ay hindi ito makamundong kaharian. The kingdom of God is the presence of Jesus in our midst. When we welcome Jesus in our life, something is changing in our life. Mayroong nangyayaring pagbabago sa kalooban ng ating buhay na minsan ay hindi natin napapansin. But it grows slowly. Lumalago ito dahan-dahan sa buhay natin. Kaya mga kapatid, hayaan natin ang Panginoon na maghari sa buhay natin upang sa gayon dalhin tayo sa pamumuga sa pagkakaroon ng mabubuting halimbawa sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. So again, a blessed day sa inyong lahat, and may the Lord be bless you, and rest assured of my prayers to each one of you. God bless to all.